Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for February 5th, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see equity markets continue to rally today, totally ignoring that coronavirus issue. But the Dow, by the end of the day, finishing higher by 483 points. The S&P 500 was higher by 37, while NASDAQ gaining 40. The reason it was down lower was higher earlier in the session, putting in a new high before closing well off their lows. It had everything to do with Tesla. We'll look at that in a second. The Russell 2000 finishing higher by 25 points today. The bond market was sharply lower, and the yield on the 10-year note settled at 1.654%. Crude snapping a 5-day losing streak here, gaining $1.14 or 2.3%, while gold also gaining about $6.90 today or 0.4%. The dollar rallied as well. Now, let's have a look at Tesla. Big turnaround today. We knew drop was coming sooner or later, and here it is, down 152 points or a little over 17% today. Real lack of support here, so who knows how much how much lower this can go near term. Now, after market close, couple of earnings reports. Peloton reported, and they missed estimates. They reported bigger than expected loss, along with slowing revenue growth. They are lower right now in the after hours trading session by $2.69, or a little over 8%. Also, GoPro missed their targets. They disappointed, and they are lower by about 58 cents, or a little over 13% right now in after hours trading. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.